Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of my mess ups, all of my bloopers, and just everything that I haven't shared with you guys throughout my videos during 2019. Now, I will say I am a bit of a perfectionist, especially when it comes to my videos, because I put myself online and it's kind of how people view me, it's how people look at me, portray me, and things like that, so it's kind of like important to me. Now, don't get me wrong, there are goofier videos of me online, there are more serious ones, but for today's video, this is definitely going to be a goofier one. Also, I just started saving my bloopers like around halfway throughout the year, so I don't have like every bloopers from all 2019's videos, but there are definitely enough to make a full video, okay? There are so many mess ups that I make, especially because I usually have one sentence in my head and I will say it over and over again, even if it's 1,000 times, until it comes out how I'm thinking it. Like, I cannot paraphrase. Like, if I want something to sound a certain way, I want it to sound a certain way. This is what I'm talking about by I'm a perfectionist. I literally do it over and over again until it looks right. So that is the main reason why I tend to talk a little bit faster in my videos sometimes, just because since I have a certain sentence that I'm memorizing in my head by the time that I start speaking, I don't want to forget it because it's usually a long sentence. So I kind of want to, like, you know, get it all out before I forget it. And I usually like to memorize long sentences just so it can be like all together, so I don't have to like piece edit and like clip like a bunch of smaller clips together, and it just looks nicer in the end, if you know what I'm talking about. That's also a big reason why you may notice me getting like a little bit annoyed in some of the bloopers, because it is really frustrating when you have an idea of something that's perfect in your head and it just like doesn't come out or turn out that way. I mean, no matter how big or how little the YouTuber, they're gonna have mess ups, so just keep that in mind if you're thinking about or looking into doing YouTube. It's gonna happen and it might get you frustrated, especially if you want things to look perfect, but just remember that nobody is perfect, and you can't let it get to your head, I guess. I also have fully edited videos that I spent time on that I just never got a chance to upload, whether it was because the timing wasn't right or I had other videos to go up. Sometimes I do film like spare videos in case if like I'm really busy one week or like if something happens, but none of the spare videos made it up this year, so maybe that'll be in a future video. So I'll save those. You guys don't even know about those, but stay tuned if you're interested. Again, most of these bloopers are like from the same videos just because I started collecting a little bit late, but for the new year, I'll definitely make sure to save all of my bloopers because there are definitely enough. And I can guarantee you, if I were to save every single blooper from all of my videos for 2019, it could probably make a 30-minute video. Even the bloopers that I'm about to show you today, I haven't saved every single one, just the funny ones. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. And we're okay, go. Hey. Go. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, go ahead. I look so much taller than you. Sit up. Move your seat up. Move your seat up. How?
Why is there a box following my face? Like, can you not do that? I can't even see my face.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So
why is it tilted? Like, it should be no.
Do a couples routine. Oh, let me do that. couples routine. I've just said a routine 3 times and that's not even it.
Is that recording?
In North Carolina and beyond, our expert staff is ready to answer your questions and concerns.
I have no idea.
Or log on to madbase.com/news.
Is Ultra Close is just I got the salmon.
Salmon.
Salmon?
Salmon.
Salmon? Wait, what? Wait, what the f? Why is there You can't curse. Oh yeah, what the frick? I got a burger. I feel like I don't say that word right. Burger. I feel like I sound like a baby, like burger.
Usually do. I don't know. I'm gonna be going to the place that I normally go to. Bruh! for not putting it on the tripod and thinking that I could just sit on my dashboard and look fine. I'm gonna be using the rather have I'm still glad we're in touch still. Are we good? Have we situated ourselves? So when you first walk in here, oh my freaking, I swear to God. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys. Office. Okay, why does the trash man have to come at 9:15 a.m.? Okay, can we not do that today, please? Like, I've done one of my previous videos where I going on. I didn't like that. That could be so much better. I'm so sorry. What?
You're gonna pose like this.
Oh.
Watch you when you edit. You're gonna watch. The owls on the side.
So I now have. Oh, this brightness is way too high.
Oh.
So that made my face feel.
What'd I do?
Like, as you can see, my skin. I'm mute.
What happened?
Nothing. My skin look.
I'm so sorry. Alright, stop.
Look at him. Limited and it.
No, it's not me.
Doesn't that feel good?
Wow.
Okay, so it's so it is not. That literally happens way too much. Oh my God. I think I was in like high heel. Oh my God, bro.
Serious.
Ultra. So we're letting. On our mask from hello, bro.
(6:59 a.m.)
Hey Siri. Well, you're probably under. That's a final OTD. I got gray sweatshirt, sweatshirt. I also got two. These are my favorite part. Something else that I totally forgot to mention was, you may notice me like doing repetitive movements. Like if I'm like doing a haul or something, for example, if I'm moving on to like the third item as I'm pulling out of the bag, I'll be like, for the third item. And if I mess up while I'm saying that, I'll put it back in the bag so I could be like, for the third item, because I have a vision in my head of like, okay, as I'm saying for the third item, I want to be pulling out of the bag. So if I mess up, I'll keep re-putting it in the bag until it comes out right. I don't know why I do that. I guess it's just like my idea of perfect. So like basically if I have like a certain movement that I want to do with a certain word. If I keep messing it up, I'll redo the movement with the word until it comes out right. I don't know. Maybelline, this is 100 concealer in the shade Facial Steamer by Vivitar. I recently did switch Too Faced Better Than brow pencil and also pencil and now, honestly my overall Sunday yeah, I can't, and it was the last half an hour. Let me just start around. So it was getting to the last half an hour and I was doing like sorry. I need hand sanitizer. My hands are so sticky. Oh my god. So I'm gonna have bloopers in my own blooper video. I'm also gonna try to figure out a way to have him here. So I also have to change his.
Hey guys, we're doing.
Oh wait, are they from our school? Because that would be weird. No, they're not. Okay, ready?
Hey guys, we're doing a mukbang.
I ordered the bundle box, Oreo McFlurry. They just heard everything we ordered on the one. Goes up. By the time this video, just like both women. I need a car tripod. Like I really. What is your favorite thing? I don't know how to feel now that Christmas is like a couple days away.
And I get shit! Wait, do you look right here or look up there? Cause I'm looking up here all the time.
I mean.
So, that wraps up the video, guys.
Wait, do that again,
What?
Come on, that was, oh my god.
I don't want the cookie.
The, two feast. I got a face massager. I actually think something's wrong with me. Like I'm concerned. So that was all of my bloopers for 2019, or at least what I saved of it. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below what your biggest fail moment was. Even if it's nothing related to filming, it doesn't have to be, just any funny moment you would like to share it down in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all of my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.